Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, one is alike. I'm here in Flagstaff, Arizona. This property is the Voco, VOCO, Flagstaff. It's going to be a little walkthrough, talk through of the One King Suite. This is room 216. So without further ado, here we go. Easy peasy. It's gonna be our little view as we walk through in the foyer here. So already to your immediate left, you got a full-size mirror. A little power outlet at the door right there. And here to your immediate right, you have a nice size restroom with a walk-in shower. Now they do have some rooms that do offer a tub. I prefer a walk-in shower. Nice mirror here. I'm assuming this just doubles as a vanity because it's well illuminated. Got your complimentary items here as well. More outlets on the back here. Makeup towel with a nice little dish there. And more towels down below. Got your little extra roll of TP. You got a blow dryer back there as well. A little wall art. But you have a really updated shower here. Nice shower head there. I haven't tested the pressure yet, but I will pretty soon. Complimentary items there. One thing I do like about the shower is that it has the sloped drainage, so you don't have to feel like you're standing in the water. All right, so it's automatically on the drain pretty efficiently. So that's pretty good. That's me. Then you have your, I would call it wall art, but you can hang like a little jacket or something there with little owls. What's that? See no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. Either way. So here's a full view of the room here. The One King Suite. So you got a nice little sitting area there. It's not just standard size chair. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's like a double wide seating there. Some nice wall decor, outlets below. Got a nice little nightstand with the alarm. 3 power outlets with the USB as well as a C. And updated reading light here as well. Table is going to be the same on the opposite side, but that's just the view for your whole bed area right there. Right on. Now this AC is controlled over on the wall unit over here. Pretty self-explanatory, easy to use, updated, simple functionality. All right. So these lights here, these switches, are obviously for everything in the suite in itself. And what I like about them is literally each light has a dimmer. So each light has its own dimmer, depending on what section that you want to be in or dim. So that's pretty good. I like this side table here. You got front and back storage side on that there. And a pretty comfortable sofa set here. It's not a sofa bed. Just confirm for you. Correct. Not a sofa bed, but it's definitely comfortable. Got a little coffee table there with some additional plush seating here. So depending on how many people you have in here, like there's seating for any and everybody. All right, you got your QR codes here in case you forgot something like toiletry items, hotel sustainability, and the directory. As you can see, I'm here at the Voco Flagstaff. All right, so television functionalities, the Hisense TV. If you click the home button here, this is a Roku which I'm assuming is just not fully hooked up yet. There's no signal. Nope, nope, nope. So yeah, maybe I haven't quite figured this out just yet, but I will at some point. All right, regular TV. That's it. So I just recommend probably bring your own. I don't know if it has a screen sharing functionality on here, but if you travel with HDMI like myself, you can hook your own device, your phone, laptop, stream something to the TV, and go for what you know. But back to the room. Oh. So you got some additional seating over here. If you want to get down on some dominoes or stare at each other in the face, that's good. And then you have your additional lighting here with some more Arizona wall decor. Now there's power outlets throughout this suite, like everywhere. So if you need to charge anything, like no matter where you are, there's plenty of power outlets. All right. So additionally over here, you got another little seating area / storage area with some more storage underneath. And I think, to be honest, this probably might be the coldest part of the room here, is the see-through wardrobe. So it's small, but as you can see, you got plenty of room in the suite itself in case you need to store anything. But you got the steamer there with some instructions. Got your complimentary water here in glass and tamper sealed as well. A couple of additional glasses with the ice container back there. Got your coffee, all complimentary. I've never even heard of this. Y'all heard of this? Egyptian chamomile. That sounds like she's gonna put you straight to sleep. Nice size refrigerator. And yeah, that's the gist of this room. The King Suite here at Voco Flagstaff. Now this is my second time staying in the Voco. I stayed in one in Atlanta. Shout out to them. The Voco Darwin with all the origami and all that good stuff. But I think the Voco brand is really growing on me. I really like it. This is an older hotel, but the upgrades and the renovations all been pleasant. So even in the lobby. So I get to that video, go shoot that footage. So if you stayed in the Voco, what Vocos have you stayed in? If not, I recommend it. If you're not an IHG member, I recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description below with some details in case you want to join the club. Get you some points. If you're going to be staying at an IHG property anyway, it doesn't matter if it's a Crown Plaza, it doesn't matter if it's Voco, any of the Holiday Inns, resorts, express, suites, whatever. You know, IHG has a pretty large footprint here in the US, as well as some places overseas as well. So I hope y'all got something out of this. Until next time, we'll love and peace.